Hey guys, Lance here from Less's Fishing Fun, and today we are in Gippsland, Victoria, Australia, and we are making a super duper good carp bait today that can catch heaps and heaps of carp. So let's make it. Alright, so the first thing we have here is 2 bags of some panko breadcrumbs right here, and then we've got 1 can of chickpeas and 2 cans of super sweet corn, because carp love super sweet corn, and 2 raspberry boxes of jelly, and then we've got a container to put all our bait in here and a bowl to mix it all up in. Alright, so we're just going to take this panko breadcrumbs in here. That's 1. And we're going to get the second packet, open that up. And that's 2. Right, so now we're going to get a can of super sweet corn and just slightly open up and go around here and drain all the juice out of it. Okay, first one's done. Now we're going to get the second can of the super sweet corn and do this one. So now we're just going to make a little hole in the panko breadcrumbs, open this can super sweet corn, and we're just going to pour that in that hole. Get it all out. And we're going to get the second one, open that up, and there. There we go. Alright, so we just got these chickpeas here, and we're just going to open this up and drain the water out of this too. Alright, so I just drained the water out of the chickpeas. Now we're just going to open it up and pour it straight in here. Go in there. There we go. Alright, so now I'm just going to mix all this up, and this is going to be the fun part. You're just going to just twirl in and mix it all up. Alright, so you just want to keep mixing until it gets real moist. See, that's getting moister and moister. So just keep mixing it and mixing it. Alright, so now we're adding our raspberry jelly bags in the mix. There's one. We rub it together. And then we get the second box. That up and pour that in. Alright, so now we just got to give all this a mix now. See, it's starting to form into a bowl. Just keep mixing it until it feels nice and moist and it packs into a bowl. Secret ingredient here that I'm going to add in here, that's creamed corn. You can see it there. So I'm just going to, so it just makes it more moist and more sticky. Just going to add it all in. Not all of it actually, just a bit, just like that. I'll just keep adding just keep on going. Alright, so this is how a pack bait looks like, and you just get a bowl, mold it onto your method feeder, just like that. It molds into a good bowl because I put the cream corn there. And so the next video I'll actually do a taste. What did I say? Taste. When you're done, guys, as I'm done right now, you just want to get a little bucket or a big one, how much you want to make, and just put all the pack bait in there. So it's got a nice handle so you can carry it everywhere. And just keep putting it all in there. Going. And then if it gets too crowded and there's only a little bit left, all you have to do is just push it down a bit and try not to squish all the corn so it will eat it. And then when you just have a little bit left like that, all you do is just get the bowl and just dip it in. And that's it. That's all it takes. Alright, so I'm just going to put this lid on here. And that's it. So this is Lance from Lance's Fishing Fun. Please subscribe, comment down below, like this video, check out all my other videos that I did. And tomorrow we are going to go test this out. See ya.